Hi guys! Greetings from Michigan where it is freezing. Today the temperature has been about 2 degrees below zero and it feels like negative 26 degrees below zero. Last night it got down to 15 below and felt like 41 degrees below zero. So since it's been so cold, there were some science experiments that I wanted to try. A couple of them I saw online and even had family members try, but I wanted to take it one step further. Now, the experiment I saw involved people taking boiling water, throwing it into the air, and watching that boiling water turn instantly into snow or water vapor. So I thought, why hot water? Would it work with cold water? Would it work with room temperature water? What would happen and why was it happening? So we're going to try it. What I've done, I've taken a pot of room temperature water, cold tap water, and boiling water, threw all three up in the air, and recorded the results. What do you think will happen? Think about the states of matter, your solid, gas, and liquid states, and how they act. Which one has the most energy? Do you think that matters? How would the amount of energy in the water affect the way it reacts in extremely cold temperatures? So go ahead and formulate some opinions, some hypotheses, and we'll see what happens. Cold tap water. So what happened with the cold water? How did it react? Discuss it with yourselves. Next, we'll move on to room temperature water. Now, I took this water and I let it set out overnight. The temperature in my apartment has been set to about 68 degrees, so the temperature of the water should be somewhere around 68 degrees. Room temperature water. Was there much difference between the cold water and the room temperature water? How did they react? They were both pretty much the same, weren't they? Both of the water reacted exactly how you would expect water thrown into the air to act. We threw it in the air, and it all came down. Now comes the fun one. And finally, boiling water. In the time it took me to get from the stove, you can tell that the water has stopped boiling, but I'm not sure if you can see the steam rising off of it. Ready? Whoa, that was pretty cool. Did you see what happened? When I threw the boiling water into the air, it all turned into snow, into a mist. Talk about cool. So why did that happen? Why did that only happen with the boiling water and not the cold water or the room temperature water? That was so cool, I wanted to do it again. And here's how much snow we have. It's about 16 to 18 inches. and it's freezing, so I'm going back in.